Kainan na. Anyway, mayroon tayong pictures ngayon. Bago nating member, si Living After 50. Living After 50. Si Ma'am, Loyalty Matters. So, Ma'am, welcome to my YouTube channel as a member. Okay, salamat. We'll play one video for you and DoorDash this one. So nag-loading pa, it's still kuan. Then we have also second kuan channel pictures, Baguio Bliss today. Ito siya. Tapos yung video na ito i-play natin maya. Ito nag-loading pa rin. Okay. So, mag-play tayo while eating. Yan. Okay. So, Living After 50s and Baguio Bliss Day. Shout out sa inyo dalawa. So, okay. Kain na tayo. Oops. Yan. While ito na si Ma'am. Yan. So, nasira na naman yung system ng TV, oh. Okay. Meron naman tayong backup laptop. Ayan. Kain mo tayo. Ito pala yung tsuktugo. Tsaka meron tayong chicken pit. Dala ng anak ko. So, ito na guys. While watching Living After 50s, meron din tayong nag-play din ako kay Living After 50s. Already played 68 videos. Yan. Kaya na si Ma'am Fatima. Nag-play din ako kay Ma'am Fatima. Saka si Lover na yung isang ring kuan. Kasi Ma'am Hanify, nag-play din ako kayo na. Drone from Life, shout out din. Saka si Ma'am Shen. Yan sa so, yun na. Kain mo tayo. While watching So, yan na. Pinalaki na. Kailangan malaki siya. Let's eat. Chicken. Tsuktugo. Yan. So, hindi makita si Ma'am. Doon lang. Let's eat muna, ha. Yan. Para makita si Ma'am. Living After 50s. Please subscribe and play your videos, guys. You need watch our. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, let's eat. Chicken, tsuktugo. Yan. So, hindi makita si Ma'am. Doon lang. Let's eat muna, ha? Yan. Para makita si Ma'am. Living after 50s. Please subscribe and play her videos, guys. She need watch our. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay. Next yan si Bliss, Baguio Bliss. Hati-hati sila. 50-50. Okay, next, si Baguio Bliss. Yan, si Baguio Bliss naman. Loading ang laptop. Kaya Baguio Bliss. Ito yung lumabas yung video niya.